Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Manon from Katseye with this Monster High look in Trust and Press. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is for the outfit. First of all, you can choose this hairstyle, this one, and then you're going to color it black. And you can do this adjustment for the position, rotate, and then also scale. And put on this hairstyle. You're going to make it black, and then this hairstyle from the petal update, toggle it to back and remove all the flowers, and then you're going to do this adjustment. Okay, and then this one, make it black, and then again you're going to do this adjustment. You can copy mine, and then you're going to put on this earring, make it this color. This is from the VIP room. And this necklace, make it this color. This is also from VIP room. And then you're going to put on this nail, but you can skip this one or you can use Lana nail. And then this ear from the VIP room. And the next one, you're going to go to the dressing room, and then you're going to go to the petal update, put on this bow heel, and then you're going to make it this white color. Okay, and then you're going to put on this item from the petal update, and then you're going to make it this white color. Okay, and then I'm going to put on this flower. We're going to make it all white, and then we're going to change the material to glitter. Oh wait, let me color it white, and then we can change the material to metallic. Okay, just make it metallic for all the selection. And then you're going to put on this top. You're going to apply this white color. Okay, the broken white. And then and then you're going to put on the skirt. You're going to make it the same color for all the selection. Okay, it's almost done. Alright, and then the next one, I'm gonna go back and go to the Valentine update, and you're going to put on this top. This is from the VIP room, and you're going to make it white. And then we're going to go to the VIP room, guys. We can choose this jellyfish skirt, make it white. And I'm going to go to this area and put on this top. We're going to make it this white color for all the selection. Okay, and make it metallic. And now it's done, guys. This is for the final result. Alright, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!